free, easy, cheap accountability partner. Welcome back. It's Gregory Martire, local mentor coach here in real estate land, in the real estate world for more than 2 decades. Oh my gosh, more than a score. Talking about how to hold yourself accountable and a free accountability partner. And the easiest, best way is to get a friend or family member. Ask them, will you hold me accountable? If you can't find someone like that, hit me up. I'll hold you accountable. There are numerous groups on social media, and I'll send you a link. Send me a text, I'll send you the link. That will help each other hold each other accountable. Check for somebody in your office, maybe an old friend or maybe your worst enemy might be willing to hold yourself accountable. A doctor, your old teacher, ask around. Perhaps a new teacher, maybe your children. Having someone to help you with accountability, someone that you have to face and tell them, yes, I did what I said I was going to do. Yes, I made those calls. Yes, I knocked on those doors. Or yes, I made that live video. Just ask, and just asking will create a sense of confidence. You will probably find someone, maybe at the gym. You will probably find someone that is looking for the same as you. You don't have to be in the same industry. It can be 2 different things. Maybe somebody wants to be able to be held accountable to floss their teeth. Now, maybe they brush, but they don't floss. But I think you get where I'm getting at. If you need any other help with this, hit me up. Send me an email. Shoot me a text. I'm glad to help. Appreciate you checking out our channel. Have a great day.